So hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel Madam Axe. So today I am back with a very important video which is going to be on vocabulary tips. So as we all know that we have only around 20 to 25 days left for the NIFT entrance exam, which is going to happen on 14 February 2021. So now it becomes very important for us to know the last minute tips which will help you to learn the vocabulary words very easily, because in the NIFT entrance exams, be it for UG courses or PG courses, vocabulary plays the most important part, because the most important questions are related to vocabulary in this exam. So if you are going to learn every vocabulary word very easily, then you will easily be able to score more in this exam, and vocabulary will not only help you in the communication ability section, but it will also help you in the passage section, in the case studies, and in the full question paper. Vocabulary is going to help you a lot. So now I am going to tell you about the very important tips which are going to help you to learn vocabulary words. So also subscribe this channel, follow me on Insta and FB, and also like this video. So let's start with the important vocabulary tips. So now I am going to tell you about the most important vocabulary tips, and please watch this video till the end, because I am going to tell you about a few websites which are going to be very helpful for all the NIFT aspirants out there. So the first tip is revise and revise. So now at this point of time, when you have only 20 to 25 days left for your NIFT entrance exam, so now you don't have to go for any new sources or any new books. Now you just have to focus on revision, because if you'll go for any kind of new experimentation, then you will even forget the important things which you have learned till now. So now just revise the older things which you have learned. So focus more on revision and less on studying new things. And keep calm and do some revision. Next is give mock tests and solve sample papers. Yes, online mock tests play a very crucial part in this exam, because online mock tests, they help you that how much time you manage in that point of time and how accurately you do the work. Okay, so you have to give a lot of mock tests and you have to solve some sample papers. For online mock tests, I have a website which is www.mentalk.in. Here you can get 7 NIFT mock tests at only ₹59. Yes, only ₹59 you are getting 7 NIFT mock tests which have been designed by professionals and experts based on the latest NIFT exam pattern. So for this 59 rupees, if you want it, then you have to use my referral code, which is AKS70, and when you'll use this referral code, you will get a 70% discount. So original price is 199, but after this referral, the price becomes AKS70. So check the description box for the link of the website and also for the referral code. So go for a lot of mock tests and a lot of sample papers. Solve and solve a lot. Next is that study the things using the mnemonics. So here you can see I have made a mnemonic for the synonyms, for learning the synonyms of criticize. And the sentences or the mnemonic is: my brother criticizes me for doing every work rarely and lately. So in this mnemonic itself, I have mentioned that my brother criticizes me. From this, we are able to understand that, okay, in this mnemonic, the words which I am going to learn, they are the synonyms of criticize. So now we will derive each and every synonym with this mnemonic. So from B of brother, the word will be berate. From C of criticize, the word will be criticize, chastise, castigate, censure, condemn, and chide. These are all the synonyms of criticize. From F, we'll derive flack. From D of doing, we'll derive deprecate, decry, and denounce. From E of every, we'll derive excoriate. From W of work, we'll derive wheedle. From R of rarely, we'll derive reprove and rebuke. And from L of lately, we'll derive lambast. So with this, we'll be able to learn all the mnemonics and all the synonyms very easily in just a single sentence. So you can also make many mnemonics based on the vocabulary words and their synonyms. So you can also check out my other videos on vocabulary. Link is in the description box. Next is use flashcards. Yes, you can just shorten down the meanings of all the words and write them on the flashcards. You can buy sticky notes, etc., and just stick them on the wall or anything which you can see every day, and with this you will be able to learn all the words very easily. So if the meanings are very long, you can just shorten the meaning and write them on the flashcards. Like here you can see for abate we have written to reduce or to lessen, and similarly we have written for abdicate to give up a position. So in this way, if you shorten down the meanings and write it on flashcards, then it will become very interesting and very easy to learn. Next is solve quizzes. So another important website which I am going to tell you is the Google vocabulary quiz. The link is in the description box. So in this you will get a vocabulary quiz in front of you. Here you can select that which level you want to play. You want to play normal or hard. So this will be very beneficial for you, because in the game itself you'll be able to learn a lot of words. And this way you can see the question has arrived in front of you, which asks you that representing the pleasing side of country life. And your options are here: renowned, lit, bucolic and pompous. So anything which represents the pleasing side of country life, that is called bucolic. So with this quiz also you can easily learn the words and play this quiz. Link of the quiz is given in the description box. Next is use mobile wallpapers. Yes, as we all are mobile addicts and we always use the mobile every day, and around 5 to 6 hours we all use the mobile. Okay, so now what you have to do is that since you are using your mobile every day, then what you can do is just write the difficult words and meaning on a paper or on your Instagram story. You can write that and just save that picture, and then you can set it as your mobile wallpaper. So see, this I wrote it on an Instagram story, and then what I did is I just saved this picture in my device and I put it as my wallpaper. So now whenever I'll open my mobile, my eyes will definitely go on these words, and slowly I'll be able to retain all these words in my memory, and easily I'll be able to learn these words even while using my mobile phone. So you can also try this tip. Next is write difficult words on hands. Okay, now this I'm not telling you any cheating tip or anything that you have to write it in your exam and all. No, you have to while you are staying at your home, you can just write the words on your hands, because with your hands you are going to do each and every task. So whenever you look at it, then easily you'll be able to learn the words which have been written on your hands. And after that you can just rub off that word or wash your hands, and then another word you can write. So just you can check your hand, and just easily you'll be able to revise all the words by writing it on your hands. Like here, this guy has written the formula to learn it. Next is have a discussion with your friends. So what you have to do is that discuss and ask answers and questions with your friends. You can easily do that by making a WhatsApp group with all your NIFT aspirant friends, and you can just post a word on that and everyone else will try to answer that question, or similarly others can ask and you can answer, and this way. Or you can just, while having on a call, you can just ask your friends for having a discussion on a conference call for all the new words which you have learned. You can just play a quiz for that. So this will be very interesting and you will not get bored, and while talking to your friends also you can easily learn all the words. Next is use new words in your everyday life. So what you have to do is that you have to use the newly learnt words while talking to everyone. While you're talking to anyone, you can just use the new words, and also you can just make new sentences or paragraphs with the new words. So every day if you learn any new word, you can just make few sentences with it, or you can frame a paragraph or a story with that. All these words, and easily you'll be able to practice the words also, and you'll be able to learn them also. Next is revising while doing any work. So while doing some unimportant tasks in the day, you can keep on revising these words. For example, you can revise the words by speaking them while taking a bath. Yes, so while taking a bath or while taking a shower, you can just keep on revising these words, speak them, and just slowly you'll be able to learn them. Next is you can revise while eating and drinking in your mind. So while you are eating any snacks or drinking anything, you can just in your mind revise all these words, so easily you'll be able to revise them or learn them. And the last step is here, that is record and hear. So now what you have to do is you can just record all the words in your voice recorder app in your phone, and all the difficult ones you can just record them, and after that you can plug and play all the important words, and easily, like we hear or listen to the songs, etc. And after a few days we are able to sing that song, we are able to learn the lyrics and all. So similarly, if you'll just listen to all these important words on your earphone, then easily you'll be able to learn all the words. So I would like to know about your comments and about your reviews about this video, that will these tips be helpful to you or not. So please comment and tell me that this video was beneficial for you or not. And also you can like this video if you liked it, share it with your friends, and please press the bell icon so that you get all the important notifications of this amazing channel, which is going to help you a lot in preparing for NIFT. So thank you everyone for watching the video. Happy learning!